Welcome back, Crammers, to question 7. Here are 5 times in a single day using the 24-hour clock. So this is in military time. Write down the letter of the time nearest to 6 p.m., which is 1800 in military time. So you can see that here that 11:53 is about midday, but it's still 6 hours away from 6 p.m. 15:20 is about 40 minutes from 6 p.m. 8:20 is about 10 hours from 6 p.m. 18:12 is 12 minutes from 6 p.m. and 14:45 is 1 hour 15 minutes from 6 p.m. and the smallest difference is D. So we simply write here D. Work out the difference in hours and minutes between time A and then time E. We can simply find this by subtracting time E with time A. But since we have two formats here, we have hours and minutes, we have to convert all hours into minutes, do our calculation, and return it back to normal. So we can see here 16, 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes. So we can see here 16 times 60 plus 45 minus 11 times 60 plus 53 should give us the total amount of time in minutes. We start off with bracket 16 times 60 plus 45, close the bracket, subtract 11 times 60 plus 53 gives us 292. So to convert this from hours to minutes, we simply divide by 60, divide by 60. We get 4.86. Now, we do not want the fraction. We simply want the hours. So we write here hours is 4. Now we know how many hours is inside 292. We can simply write 292 minus 4 times 60 will give us our amount of minutes. So we can write here 292 minus 4 times 60. This gives us 52 minutes. Francesco uses the rule below to find the time in minutes to cook a chicken in his oven. Multiply the weight of the chicken by 40 times 40 and then add 15. The clock on Francesco's oven shows time B. So time B is given to us as 15:20 right here. He stops cooking the chicken when the clock on his oven shows time E. So that is 16:45. Work out the weight of the chicken. Now, it's given to us that the final time is time E, so we can write that down as 16:45. We then have to subtract time B, so we can find the total amount of minutes elapsed, 15:20. This gives us 85 minutes. So now we know how long the cooking time was. We can use the equation weight times 40 plus 15 is equal to 85. We can bring 85 to the other side. So 40W is equal to 85 minus 15. We divide both sides by 40. And we can use a calculator to get our final answer as 85 minus 15, then divided by 40. This gives us 1.75 kilograms. 1.75 kilograms. Use Francesco's rule to write down a formula in time T minutes to cook a chicken of weight K kilograms. So we use the same formula, but we instead of writing a value, we simply write the variable K, then we times it by 40, and then we add 15. This gives us T. Now we can actually simplify 40 times K to 40K plus 15 is equal to T, and then we can write here T is equal to 40K plus 15. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.